Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 351, error code the shutdown operation fail shutdown on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on start button and choose task manager. And here under process option, look for any apps or files or folders opened or running. Simply select it and choose end task. If you have already closed the file but under processing, you will find in task manager window, select it and choose end task. Thereafter, in search field, type Explorer and select Windows Explorer, and from the top right corner, choose Restart Task. Restart your Windows Explorer task. After that, close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box, and here in run command box, type the command RECENT reset and click on OK. Press Ctrl plus A to select all contents of this folder and choose delete. In my case, no any recent files and folder exist. In your case, select it and choose delete. Empty your recent folder. Again, go to right click on a start button and choose settings. And here from the left side of settings, go to Windows Update and find out, click on check for updates, and if any updates available, simply download and install it in your system. Thereafter scroll down and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and click on optional updates, and also if any optional updates available, simply download and install it in your system. Thereafter check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on a start button and choose run. In run command box, type the command msconfig, msconfig, and click on OK. System configuration window will now open. Here, clean boot your system. Go to services option from the top menu bar and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services and choose disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter, go to a startup option from the top menu bar and click on the link open task manager. Here task manager window will now open. Here look for any startup apps enabled in your system. Scroll down and found out enable startup apps. If any found, simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all your enabled startup apps. Manually disable all your startup apps. Thereafter, close the task manager windows and click on apply and OK to save the changes. Restart your system. Your problem should definitely be resolved.